My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Sorry if I think I'm not enough. Sorry if I say sorry way too much. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. It's like, why do they have to send all the subscription boxes at the same time of the month? Like, can't you just spread it out? Like, spread the wealth? Like, it's just overwhelming when I get them all at once. But anyways, this is going to be an unboxing for my Sephora Play for the month of April 2019. So if you would like to see what I got for my Play by Sephora subscription, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Okay, let's get right into the unboxing. So Play by Sephora is a subscription service that is $10 a month. And let's see what I got for the month of April. So this month's bag is like pink instead of red. And on the back it says, Player, a beauty connoisseur with a keen sense of adventure. I'm not sure if that's the definition of player, but I like that one better. Alright, let me go in order here, and the first product that I see is this Urban Decay Perversion Mascara in black. And it says, a lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides uneasy for full-bodied lashes. This is a mascara that I actually really do like. It was like one of the very first full-size mascaras that I bought. Here's the thing. I love the brush. I love the formula. But it can be a little bit clumpy at times. And it just seems like it's wetter than other mascaras. I know that sounds really weird, but it does. I don't know. Here is the brush. And I really do love it. I think it's an amazing mascara. It just seems like you have to, it takes a little bit longer to dry, and you just have to be careful about like blinking and all the makeup surrounding it. But it does do a great job of lengthening and volumizing your lashes. The second product, is this Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish. A turmeric-powered polish that minimizes dullness and uneven skin tone. So it says this formula brightens skin with potent turmeric plant, exfoliates with micronized walnut shell, and hydrates with olive oil. Skin has a natural glow and feels softer and smoother. That is awesome. I have been wanting to try this brand, Volition Beauty. I actually saw they had like, it was like a vitamin C like strawberry brightening serum, but I'm really excited that I got this so I can try their products. Next is this Sephora Collection Triple Action Cleansing Water, a no-rinse, soap-free cleansing water that removes impurities in makeup. I love these cleaning waters, micellar waters. I prefer them to the ones with oil in them because I like to use this to clean my lashes, and if you use a makeup remover with oil in it on your lashes, it can cause the lashes to separate and come undone. So I like these cleaning waters for that reason. And then I'll also, when I'm removing my makeup, I'll take a makeup wipe, put some of this on it, and then I'll remove my eye makeup first, and then I will remove the rest of my makeup. But this is what I use to get rid of any like excess mascara on my lashes and just get rid of my eye makeup. And it's a really good like all-purpose, multi-purpose product. Moving right along. Okay, we have this IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil in Universal Top. A natural looking pencil that works for any color eyebrow. I know that sounds kind of like, yeah, right. I have been using this product for a few years now, and I really do like it. And it does. It's just like the perfect shade. I don't know how it works, but it works for me. And I like the consistency of it. It's like, it's not too soft and it's not too hard of a formula. I really do like it. It says, this pencil's innovative shape mimics the appearance of real hair for natural looking brows. Plus its formula is made with nurturing ingredients like biotin, saw palmetto, and antioxidants. Okay, and it does have a nice little spoolie on the other end. Okay. Next we have this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. A fast-absorbing daily moisturizer that combats dryness and balances skin. I do like this lotion. It's just not a moisturizer that I'm like super blown away by. It's like, it's alright. It's not my favorite. It's not the worst. And my bonus for this month is this Sakajuan. It sounds like Sacagawea. Who is that? That was like someone important in history, right? A moisturizing shampoo and conditioner duo that leaves hair supple and strong. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. I prefer getting these types of samples to well, that's not always true. It depends on the perfume. Like last month, that perfume was horrible. So if they're gonna send me perfumes like that, I would prefer to have a hair product. All right, so let me reflect. I mean, for $10, it's not bad. This is full size, so I know this is like 20-something dollars right there. And I'm really excited to try this. I will always use the cleansing water. So the only thing like I'm not super excited about is the moisturizer. But besides that, I really like everything in my box this month. All right, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And yeah, until next month or next video. All right, guys, I will see you later. Bye.